Good morning, students. Now you are going to learn about conversion, mixed fraction to improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay. So now here I have written mixed fraction. So we are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. You know what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is with one whole number and fractional part. Okay, that is called mixed fraction. But when we are converting this one into improper fraction, only we have numerator and denominator. We don't have whole number. Okay, for this very simple formula you can follow it. Okay, so the formula is denominator in this, whenever you convert, whether it is mixed fraction to improper or improper to mixed, whatever it is, the denominator remains same. Denominator remains same. There is no change in the denominator. There is no change in the denominator. So we don't have to bother about denominator. Denominator as it is. So we don't have to bother about denominator. So I have written just denominator. Okay. But in the numerator there is a change. For that, first we have to write the whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator. Denominator remains same, but for the numerator we have to multiply this whole number and denominator, and we have to add with the numerator. So shall we do it here? So 2 multiply by denominator is 7 plus numerator is 3. Okay. And the denominator as it is, it remains. Okay. Now 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 by 7. So this is the improper fraction. We got it. Have you got it? Just you remember the formula. Whole number multiply by denominator. Whole number multiply by denominator and add with numerator. You multiply by denominator, then you add with numerator. Okay. Whole number multiply by denominator plus numerator. Okay. So if you add 2 multiply by 7, 14. 14 plus 3, 17 by 7. Okay. Have you got it? Shall we do one more? Same thing. The formula is whole number multiply by denominator 8 and the numerator 3, and this one remains, denominator remains same. So here denominator is 8. Okay, so 8 I have written. Now denominator let me write as it is. Numerator 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3, 35. Okay, this is the answer. Have you got it? Now we have convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. This one, this formula you will write in your copy. You will remember this. Whenever you do the conversion, you remember this and you solve it. So you will not make mistake. Okay. Now, shall we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? Okay. So now we are going to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So improper fraction, I have taken one improper fraction. Okay. Now, shall we change this one into mixed fraction? Okay. When we changed mixed to improper, we multiplied. Here we are going to divide. Here we are going to divide and take out the whole number. Then only we can write mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means we need one whole number. To get whole number, we are going to divide this one. We are going to divide 14. We are going to divide by 5. 5 twos are 10. Then remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. Now the formula is for whole number you are going to write quotient. The whole number is quotient. The whole number is quotient. Okay. And the remainder is going to be numerator. Remainder is going to be numerator. You know, as it is denominator will be denominator. That is not going to be changed. Denominator is same only. But only thing you have to divide and find out the quotient is the whole number and the quotient is the whole number and the remainder is numerator. Remainder is numerator. So what's supposed to be the fraction? The fraction is 2, 4 by 5. The denominator same and the quotient is here. Remainder is here. So you have to remember this formula. You have to remember this formula. So let me write one more. 35 by 8. 35 by 8. So let me divide 35 and 8. 8 fours are 32 and 3 remainder. Okay, 8 fours are 32 I have written and 3 remainder. According to your formula, what is the quotient? You will write formula in each question. You will write formula in each question so that you don't make mistake. Okay. So here I have written the quotient here. Okay. And the remainder as numerator and denominator here also same denominator. Have you got it? Very simple thing. You have to remember both of these formulas. So you have to do it correctly. Okay. So in the copy when you write the formula in each question so that you can memorize it. Okay. Thank you.